Okay, welcome back for our 12th chapter in the 12th class. Here we'll discuss about update command. Um, okay, so so far we created a table, we deleted a table. So far you might got used to some of those things, right? You might, although those few of those classes are small. Uh, 15-20 minutes and it doesn't discuss much of things, but this we were actually we're working from a long time. So here we can update a join. Okay, we cannot use this direct SQL. We need some SQL here. So all right, we'll make use of this SQL basic update. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, we just find out. Okay, so now since which table did we screw up? Okay, we'll screw up this table. No, let's hold on. We'll screw up this my table. It's already screwed up. So select star from my table, and let's find out what's there. Alright, so this is a lot of data here inside this, but it's good to know. And what you want to do here is update. That's good. Now what we'll do here is update customers now. Oh, sorry, what happened? Okay. Oops, sorry, something messed up. Okay, something got messed up. I did something. It's Java issue actually. So okay, we'll use this update. I'm sorry. What? I want to know the select star from my table. Okay, and see what are the records there. I hate this thing, doesn't store anything. Okay, so these are the 4 records. We have 1 2 3 4. All right, 5 records. Oh, the 2 got screwed up. I told you we screwed up a lot of things. All right, so here we'll do some update here. Update, there is no customers table. We were working on my table, so we use my table. Set email. There's a Luke where ID is equal to 1. So now I'll just put ID is equal to 2. You know what? Screwed up data, right? Okay. There is no ID 2. That's so bad. Okay, ID 3. There's no ID 2, so that won't work. Alright, so what happens here is this data 1 will get replaced with Luke_Smith at email.com. Let's find out. I don't think you have this admin issues. If you have admin issues, then I'm in serious trouble here. Okay, great. So 1 record got updated. So we'll just use this and save it for our handouts. We'll use this update.sql. This is for your handouts. If you want to practice it, you can practice it at home. And okay, now let's find out. Did really it updated? I don't know. Let's find out. From my table, and select, go ahead and click there. Yes, it did. Wow, it updated it, right? So this is how you update it. So this is basic update. Basically, you are updating. Ooh, now you want to update all the rows with this name Smith. I don't want to do that. So you normally don't do such kind of thing, but if you update customer, set last name Smith, and So do you want to do that? Let's do this then. Let's we will do this. But here we use the primary key, so we were lucky on update command actually. So all right, now here we'll use this update. No, we don't. We are working on my table. Set last name. There is no last name here. So what we'll do here is username. We have username. Alright. And Smith. Now I don't want to use this because this will username will go on with Smith. All the username will update it. This is bulk record. You don't want to do that. But if you want to screw up, yes, we already screwed up. So why don't we try it? We got it. We screwed up whole table now. How do we know? Select star from my table. Oops, this. And everything got Smith. Too bad. Okay, so this is how you can do this, but this is not good. All right. So bulk update. Ooh, let's try to do this bulk update. Bulk update. What we'll do here is go ahead and click here. So update people set name. Now you're using case statement here. Okay, ID where you can use to case or if else. All right. So here we are using this case. ID is primary key. When 1, then Carl. When 2, then Tom. When 3, then Mary. When 4, so on and so forth. Okay, you can write your own programming here, SQL programming. Alright, then you want to put end where ID is 1, 2, 3. Since you are only doing this 1, 2, 3, or you know what? You can run this ID is equal to plus plus. No, you don't want to do that right now. It's not a good idea at this point of time. You don't want to use this, but we'll try to update this. This is a bulk update. 2 rows got affected. How do we know this? Let's find out. Select star from people and execute it. See this? Got update with 1, 2, 3 is gone. We did something, we screwed up something. So 3 ID 3 is lost because we deleted something there. So we can add it up, new record, not a big deal, but just that's the reason the 3 didn't work, but still it showed, it didn't throw an error, so that's a good part. Alright, now update with order by and limit. Now you can do that, the same thing, just use order by at the end. Okay, so here an example, update, the same thing. Okay, where is this ready again? We don't have this. Okay, here you can use this query. Here you can use this order by, same thing. Order by. Oops. AC, and you can work on that one too. And also limit, you can use limit. I want to limit here up to 3 records or 4 records or million records, whatever you want, but we are not doing that here right now. Okay, so so that's what, using order by and limit. That's a good to know, because you can update your SQL with order by and limit clauses. Okay. This is very interesting in an example here. You can do it with low priority and ignore. This is how interesting. This actually you can do this but this requires really a good you know first of all you need an admin access, then we have to work on this. So this first thing is requires is the table, which table you're working on, the column. You have at least 100 at least 5 to 6 columns so that you can do this. Okay, bare condition, and you can do this. So this is also kind of bulk record, right? Yeah, limit, you can do with limit is also kind of bulk. You can limit anything you want. Let's say if there's a million record, you want to do only 10, you can do only 10. All right, so multiple table update. Okay, now this becomes complicated. You can do that too. So here you see this commands will not be using here because there's no product table and sales order table. So if we have the table, we don't use this, but we can use this people. Okay, and set guess what, we can try this. Yeah, we have some time, so we can try this. All right, let's try this. Okay, so save. This is what, this is for update for multiple tables. Okay, all right, now which table do you want to screw now? My table, right? We'll just screw up this my table again. Select star from my table. I want to see what is there in it so that we know what we are screwing up. 4 records, 2 is missing. So, okay, so alright, so there are 2 tables. One is my people, next is my table, and the next is people. So what to do here is just find out, select star from people. So these 2 tables we can screw up, but see the problem is you know what, this both are IDs, we need IDs, so we can join it. ID is in both are common, that is integer, name is variable character, and gender here is only character, that is 1. Okay, that means male or female, that's all. So you have to be careful on that. So let's try it out on multiple table update. This would be a long day. Update product sales order. So which table are you going to update? My table and people. This is people. Set my table. I need to know those columns really, otherwise I'll have some serious problems here. Okay, I want to know these columns. Okay, and C. Something matches here. Okay, this is where email and name. So let's do this. So my table we have email. I don't know if this works or not, but sales order, that means people, and what is this, name. Well, just -5 is too big number, we'll just go with -4. Okay, now products, we replace products with email, right? and available stock. Oops, sorry. Products is my table. I'm sorry. Available stock is I'm missing something here. Yeah, products means the table. Available stock. That's you want second one. I don't want second one. So I'll just remove this. Good. Okay. Products is my table. Product ID. Now we don't have product ID. We have ID. Right. And sales order, that is people, and we don't have product ID, we have ID. Alright, this is joining. I'm joining. I hope this works, but it's pretty complicated. And oh, do you also need a end for this? I don't need. I'll just work here. Alright, this is a simple query which we will screw up here and see if it works. That's what I thought. Truncated incorrect double value came. So, we just change this number to some other number. So this doesn't work. The integer is not matching. That's what we need, this name, and this is a problem. So you know what, we'll just, in my table we have username, right? At least that is here. Okay. In my table you have username, in the people you have name. Okay, this should work. Just put for hope. That's probably because the integer, yeah, because the integer is not matching. Truncated incorrect double value. So this is the problem. But you can do this as multiple, multiple update for multiple tables. Update for multiple tables, but it's not really good idea to do this unless you are in critical position to do this, because this requires a lot of things. Okay, and this becomes complex when you are using lot of tables at one point. This join is not working actually. You're supposed to join, supposed to work, right? ID is ID. I don't know why this join is not working. I want to join this. That's what I'm trying to do here, right? What if I remove this? Let's remove this and see what happens. It's better not to do that. Okay, join is working, but never mind. I don't know what I did, but this thing got screwed up, something. So this is a SQL for you. So this is, we don't use that number. That's the problem. So we'll just save it. So this is for multiple tables. Okay. So that query worked. We don't use this anymore because we don't have the table. But we did screwed up two tables, so don't worry about it. We can create more. So, okay, this is for practice. So that's it. That's all about updating a table. We will go to the next chapter and see the next SQL to do how to that was we did for delete. This is for update, basic update, multiple table update at one query. Next we'll find out for order by statement. This should be simple and we should be good with it. Okay, thanks for watching.